Hi, in this lesson, let's work with algebraic fractions here and simplify them. Okay, now what exactly is an algebraic fraction here? Here comes Jean and John Bernoulli with some examples, and we got Hilbert down here too helping us out. To be an algebraic fraction, there must be at least one variable in the numerator or the denominator, and these three fit that pattern. Okay, now what's this? You never can tell what's going to happen on my magic blackboard here. It looks like an airplane. Let's see what that has to do with anything here. Well, I see it coming in the distance again here. Oh, it's dropping off a problem. You duck a little bit. 2x squared over 4xy. Let's factor the numerators and the denominators, and then we can cancel the 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator, and x and an x, and get x over 2y. Now let's look at that same problem, but let's use that idea that in a past lesson about the greatest common factor. So let's manipulate our factors around here a little bit, and we see that we have a 2x in both the numerator and denominator, and we can just go ahead and cross those out, and then our fraction is simplified to x over 2y. Oh, now we have some clouds here. Whoops, plane flying through. Oh, the clouds are partying. Looks like we're going to have a nice day. Okay, we have a problem. 14x squared over 16x. Let's factor the numerator and let's factor the denominator. And notice that shows that we can factor a 2 and from the numerator, and a 2 from the denominator, and an x from the numerator, and x from the denominator. So we have an x and from the numerator and the denominator factored out, and we multiply the factors in the numerator and the factors in the denominator, and we get 7x over 4. Here's another one. Let's factor the numerator and denominator of this fraction here. So we'll get 3 times a times a times a. We have 3 a's there and a b, and then in the denominator 3 times 5 times a. So we can factor out 3 from the numerator and denominator and a from the numerator and denominator, and multiply the numerator and denominators, the factors, and we get 3a squared and b over 5. This one here, let's do the same sort of thing. Factor the numerator and denominator, and we see that we can cross out some 2's, on one from the numerator and one from the denominator. And we can also we can cancel an a from the denominator and a from the numerator, and then a b squared from the numerator and a b squared from the denominator, and then we get 2 squared over 13ab, which is just 4 over 13ab. So we're simplifying algebraic fractions here. And here comes our plane again. Now, wait a minute. Let me duck down a little bit here. That looks like our friend Newton flying the plane there. Oh, it looks like the plane's dropping off a problem. 9x cubed times y squared over 3xy. Now you can think of the xy, the x and the y in the denominator having exponents of 1. So here's a little different way that we can simplify this algebraic fraction here. That 9 is just 3 squared. So what we can do is subtract the exponents, the ones in the denominator from the ones in the numerator. And so we'll get something that looks like this. 3 to the 2 minus 1 times x to the 3 minus 1 and y to the 2 minus 1, and that works out to be 3x squared y instead of doing the factoring. So this is something that you can look out for too. Thank you.